So there I was, binge watching my favorite show, completely immersed in the plot twists and drama. Suddenly, my dog, who's been snoozing next to me, decides it's the perfect moment to unleash a massive sneeze right in my face. I mean, come on. Netflix didn't warn me about this 4D experience. I thought I signed up for thrilling storylines, not a surprise shower of doggy germs. It's like my pup was trying to add a new dimension to my viewing experience. Now I'm left wondering if I should be reaching for the remote or the disinfectant. Who knew dog sneezes could be such a plot twist?